Good morning, folks. This is Naim Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, we will be looking at gold prices, which are forming a bit of a bullish pattern for a change, because obviously the prices have been under a massive selling pressure. And now, given the fact that we are seeing some bullish momentum coming in, this is very, very exciting news. So let's have a look at the prices and see where those important support and resistance levels are. But before we do that, as always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer and respond. It's anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, which can be downloaded from our website, avatrade.com. So let's have a look at the gold price on the daily time frame first of all. Now, on the daily time frame, what we look at is we look at three different things. Firstly, it is your 200-day simple moving average, followed by that your 100-day simple moving average, and finally your 50-day simple moving average. There is no doubt that prices have been selling for the last number of weeks. Of course, the RSI right over here confirms that the price has been in an oversold area for quite a long period of time. So that means that we are very much likely to see an upward momentum with respect to gold prices. Now, in order to see that, first of all, what we got to look at is we got to go on to a smaller and of course a bigger time frame. So let's have a look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it is quite intriguing for us the way the bounce is really happening. And the bounce is really happening from its 50-week simple moving average. Now, because obviously we are on the weekly time frame, so this becomes your 50-week simple moving average. Now, clearly the price has come close to its 50-week moving average, and it is bouncing off from these particular zones. So meaning we could see a momentum coming back, a bullish momentum coming back into the gold price, which can perhaps push this price right from here like this. And then perhaps we could see a follow up as well into this particular area and then further move from here. But of course, nothing is confirmed yet until and unless we break above this particular area, because that is the area which is an area of concern. Now, clearly, in terms of our resistance zone, in terms of our potential resistance zone, the first resistance is going to come right in around this particular price level. Let's say in between 1850 to all the way to, let's say, that 1882. That is your first resistance on your daily time frame. But obviously on a 30-minute time frame is where we get the biggest buy signal first, and that came let's just say that yesterday when the price initially moved above that 30-minute time frame, 30-minute on the 50-day simple moving average. Then it had a retest, and then it broke above the 100-day simple moving average on a 30-minute time frame as well. Now it is about to challenge its 200-day simple moving average. Now clearly, if the price breaks above that, that would be very, very positive for the prices, because last time it happened, it was quite a long time ago. So again, to summarize everything, this is our resistance zone, which runs from 1850 to 1875. The prices are looking bullish. The signal did come from a 30-minute time frame, and also on the weekly time frame as well. That's all for today.